I'm going to be honest with you guys. I didn't start trading because I wanted to be rich. I started trading because of the freedom that comes with trading. Hi guys, I am very excited to share this with you guys. But before we get started, how are you guys doing? So I've been getting these questions from a lot of you out there asking me about the why I started trading and what's up, because we are going to be talking about that in this video. I'm going to be going into detail about the why. And before we get started, I know I promised you guys if Profem account are worth trading in 2025, I still have that in mind. At the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. Oh my gosh, I wish the joy I'm feeling right now can reflect in this video when you guys are watching it. Okay, let me put myself together. This channel is created to empower you with the knowledge required for you to trade your money smartly, spot high probability setups, not just to make money from trading, but also build discipline, build resilience, and also create financial freedom for yourself as the ultimate goal. That is the purpose of this channel. And if you are somebody out there, you want to do it right, you don't want to gamble with your money, or you have been gambling with your money but it's not helpful, you have lost a lot of money from trading and you want to build a system, you want to build a structure, and you want to do it right. You want to learn and understand what it takes to become a profitable trader. This channel is for you, because that is what we do here. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section. I promise to respond to all your questions. And you can see now I'm literally making a complete video trying to answer you guys' questions out there. Now that we have done with these things, let's go right into the video. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I didn't start trading because I wanted to be rich. I started trading because of the freedom that comes with trading. But what I didn't know was that trading is going to break me, rebuild me, and teach me things that I never imagined. I believe so much in what is worth doing is worth doing right. So coming into trading, I went through the mentorship channel. The mentorship channel helps me to filter the chaotic noise in trading. You get a lot of noise, a lot of information that you don't need in trading. So going through this mentorship channel, and because of the mentorship, I got to understand that okay, trading is not all about the money aspect, because when you come in on YouTube, you see people shouting money, flaunting money. You can easily get carried away. But with the right channel, you stay grounded and stay disciplined. And that is what it's required to be profitable in trading, not the noise and not the chaos out there, and not the profits that everybody are trying to show you and everybody are trying to sell themselves to you. So you don't need that when you are coming into trading, especially when the goal is to grow your wealth, grow your assets. So the mentorship channel helps me filter all of that and build in me the things I need to know in the markets. Just basically the technical analysis, my psychology, to know that I need to treat trading like a business. All of these things, ideally, you don't even get that on YouTube. I didn't get all of these things on YouTube when I first started trading. What I was seeing was profit, intimidating profit, a lot of profit and the rest, which is possible in trading. You can make unlimited money in trading. So going through a mentorship channel, you have developed the right mindset, you have the abundance mindset now that okay, there is no cap to what I can make in this market, but now it's on me to build my psychology. I have to understand my why. I told you guys earlier on that I started trading because of the freedom that comes with trading. I can trade anywhere, I can travel and trade anywhere. I'm not limited to places, I'm not limited to time. That sort of helped me with the system. First step, I started trading using Bybit. Then I was trading crypto, and I still remember very well my first profit was on Bitcoin. I made $20 from Bitcoin. The second profit was Ethereum. I made $17 from Ethereum the next day, and I was very excited. The total amount in my account then on Bybit I was trading with was $177. I made those profits and I was very excited, so I now started over trading. I was trading Myro, I was trading Ethereum. At the time I was trading Bitcoin and Sunana, and I think on one pair again that was trading. I think I was trading 5 pairs. The leverage was high, and I was in the trade, and I got this. Do you really want to hear this story? Okay, at the end of the day, I lost the account. I lost the account and I lost the entire profit and also my capital. And I made a $20 profit. I got carried away. My why changed. Now I want to make money. Quick money. And I was feeling like a billionaire with that $20. Excuse me, I was. When I lost the account, reality hit me hard. And I realized that trading isn't easy money, but a mirror reflecting my discipline and my weaknesses back at me and showing me, yes, this is you. Yeah, this is the part that gets a little tough. When you first started trading, it's going to welcome you with the welcome profits beginner thing. It's going to mirror who you are to you. You now understand that the problem here is not your strategy, your psychology. What I learned from this story is patience beats excitement. Patience beats excitement all the time. I learned that trading isn't about constant action. It's about waiting for the right setups, even though it takes days. Like some of my students, if I'm telling them you have to wait for your setup price to come to trigger your entry, and then they'll be like, oh, I'm supposed to wait. Oh, what if it takes days to come? I'm like, patience beats excitement. Wait for your setup to get triggered. Don't chase trade. Very important. Never chase trade. Wait for your setup. So trading requires a lot of patience here. Risk management is freedom. You guys know my why in trading was the freedom. So the freedom is risk management. I used to think that big risk is equals to big gain. Well, no, it's not. Now I've come to realize that risk management is what keeps you alive long and you read books, Psychology of Money, The Disciplined Trader, Trading in the Zone, Atomic Habits, a lot of books that will build you, build your personality, build who you are towards achieving your goal. So trading is not gambling. Don't gamble with trading. If you really want to treat trading like a business and build a career and achieve your goal, forget the noise and do the work. Success in trading isn't about the size of the capital, but about the size of your discipline. You can put $100 in your account and then you can grow it consistently. That account is going to be the reflection of who you are and not the strategy you're trading. So always remember that small beginnings are powerful. Don't despise that. So these people displaying big profit today, they started like this. They started small with a small capital, the small profit, and then they build on it, and then they're showing you big profits. So I do show profits too, but my own showing of profit is to encourage you, to tell you that yes, I can do it, so you can do it. It's not to despise you, it's to encourage you that because I can do it, you can also do it. You know, by starting small, by building yourself up, by developing good habits, by using your fear as a power. Control your fear. Don't let your fear control you. If you are just starting out, I know exactly how it feels because I was once you. The excitement, the doubt, the sleepless nights, checking the charts. I have been there, and I want you to know that achieving your why in trading, it's possible, but it takes time. Don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself time. Give it time. I love to leave you guys with this. Trading gave me more than money. It gave me resilience, patience, and vision of freedom. That is why I keep going. And if you are on this journey too, it's not about how fast you win. It's about how long you last. Because certainly you are going to win. I promise to share a profit awards trading in 2025 with you guys. You guys, I have been getting a lot of testimonies from my community and also from my students who register for my private mentorship. They have been passing their profit account and they are funded now, which is very exciting because that is the smartest way to make money in trading. You know, I'm going to be leaving the link to the Telegram channel so you can also join and come and trade with us. We are not just trading, sharing signals, we are relating with each other because the goal is to build, empower us to invest our money and gain financial freedom ultimately. So that is the goal, and I'll never ask you to give me your money to invest, okay? It's for yourself and for yourself alone. We have collectively the same goal. If that interests you, you can join the Telegram group as well. And I've been getting amazing testimonies from the Telegram group and seeing my students and my community doing well with their profit account, passing their funded account is amazing. That means these persons have done some certain work on themselves to pass a funded account. Some of these funded accounts are not designed for you to pass, and these people are passing their funded account. So that is to tell you that you can do it. My community is created for you to get inspired and know that, oh, other people are doing it, you can also do it. This is what our trading community is about. So one thing I would love to leave with you guys is get a funded account. You know, I've been hearing a lot of things about funded accounts. 2025, is it worth trading? Yeah, it is worth trading. So, but you have to do the research. Check the PR of these accounts. I know some funded accounts that you can trade. They are easy to pass. I've seen some accounts that you can get the one of $100,000 and then the profit target is 6,000, which is very easy, you know, to pass. So do your own research and then get this account. Get accounts that have paid out before, that have paid traders before. I'm not saying payout of 2,000, I'm saying payout of 20,000 upward, you know. So search that for yourself. I don't want to recommend any profit for you. I want you to do that by yourself, all right? It's a personal journey. It's just that I'm not leaving you out there to dry. I'm building a community that supports you and share their losses and their wins with you. So come join us in the Telegram group, you guys. I'm so excited for this video and I'm very happy. And if this resonates with you, please subscribe to the channel, share this video, and if you have questions regarding the ProFirm accounts and regarding everything I've been saying in this video, do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section, ask your questions in the comment section, and I'll respond to all your questions in the comment section. And stay profitable, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.